Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Uh, Hello Shalini. Hello Anju. Thank you for coming live and watching. Hello everyone. Myself is Chef Reema, and today I'm going to show you chocolate modak, some variations into chocolate modak in feeling. Ganesh Chaturthi is coming, so we thought of making some chocolate modaks for you guys, and hope you all love the variations what I'm going to show you. And thank you everyone for watching this video. Especially thanks from my side for giving me once again this opportunity. So let's start the video of making the chocolate. Just give me a moment. So can you see? So here what we are going to do is we are going to make a chocolate modak. Okay, so now I have taken, we are going to make a ganache out of it first. I'm going to show you two variations into it, and coconut filling, and the other one would be pistachio and coconut, the regular one which we make in the traditional. So I have taken about 50 grams of Amul cream and 100 grams of chocolate. Okay, Amul chocolate. So now the chocolate can be anything. If you want milk chocolate, you can take milk chocolate. If you want white chocolate, you can take white chocolate also. But since we are making it center fill modak, so I will suggest you take a plain chocolate, any plain chocolate. Okay, so I have already melted the chocolate. This is 50 grams of fresh Amul cream, and this is 100 grams of chocolate, white chocolate. Okay, so I have already chopped the chocolates, you can see, so it gets easily melted. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix this into this. To save our time, I have done this. So this is a kind of ganache. Okay, जो हम रेगुलर गनाश बनाते हैं पे डालने के लिए, we are using that. Thank you everyone. So you can see there are some more lumps into it. What you can do is you can put this into a double boiler, like warm water. You can put this into a warm water so that easily get melt. Okay. Just a moment. ये lump free होना चाहिए. This has to be lump free. So now why I am using this ganache, white chocolate ganache is it will give you more richness into your chocolate. Okay, बहुत अच्छा taste देगा. आप crush use करते हो, that is actually crush should not be used because crush में ना water होता है, और अगर आपका ना तो वो chances है कि वो बहुत मतलब तुरंत बाहर आ जाए chocolate से crush. सो इसके लिए हमें गनाश यूज़ करोगे तो बहुत अच्छा फ्लेवर भी आएगा. आप इसमें कोई भी फ्लेवर ऐड कर सकते हो. ओके, सो नाउ यू कैन दिस इज़ फ्रेश वन. आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड अ बैच फॉर यू गाइज, सो आई विल जस्ट शो यू दैट. So I have already made this one for you guys. See, you can see how nicely it is set. Okay, so this ganache I'm going to divide it into two parts. Okay, from one we are going to make coconut and white chocolate. The other one we are going to make a pistachio filling. So the pistachio filling is a combination होगा. So I am using desiccated coconut. So ये दो fillings हमारी हो गई. And the other one is this jaggery and coconut वाला जो हम traditionally बनाते हैं घर पे. बट ये मैंने डेसिकेटेड कोकोनट से बनाया है. इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन यूज़ फ्रेश कोकोनट ऑल्सो. दिस विल ऑल्सो डू. एंड आफ्टर द थैंक यू सो मच जिगू. So in this what I have done is I have taken 1 cup of coconut, 2 cup of jaggery and little bit of cardamom powder, and don't want to add, you can just skip them, but I have used into this because it will give a very nice flavor. Use desiccated coconut because you are doing it with a chocolate. I would suggest you guys to do with desiccated coconut. Okay, so these three fillings what we are going to make today. This is coconut and jaggery. The other one is pistachio and white chocolate. Okay. So now firstly I am going to melt this little bit. थोड़ा सॉफ्ट करके ले लेंगे इसको. See, this all preparation I have done only because I don't wanted to waste the time. Time is little limited time we have got, so I have done all this preparation. नीचे एक वैसे पे इसको डायरेक्टली मत रखिए फ्लेम पे. सो यू कैन सी नाउ इट इज़ रेडी. Mithali, pistachio filling is a ready-made filling. Okay, I have not made it, but if you want, you can just see, I have divided into two parts. Okay, so now in the one part I am going to add this pistachio filling. The recipe and the quantity is been mentioned into the post. After the session is over, I am going to post it. Okay, now what I have posted the recipe is, you can see how nice the color is also. Manjari, actually it's because of the network issue. It's raining over here, so it's because of the network. Using a fresh coconut. Okay, I'm really very sorry. It's because of the weather, the network is getting little disturbed. So now for making this, any mold you can use, guys. Whatever mold is available with me, I am showing you with that. Okay, so this mold is available with me. This is a silicone mold. Okay, it is very easy to make the chocolates into this and just demold it by doing, popping it up. So it's very easy in this. The other mold you get in the market is this plastic molds. Okay, These are the plastic molds, so you can use any of them, whichever is available at your place. Okay, so we are going easily, you can do it. So here I have taken a dark chocolate. Okay, मैंने डार्क चॉकलेट को डबल बॉयलर पे मेल्ट कर दिया. आई हैव मेल्टेड दिस डार्क चॉकलेट ऑन टू अ डबल बॉयलर. यू कैन सी. Okay, I have melted it completely. Hot chocolate into this the molds. Okay, let it come to a normal temperature. It has to be melting, pouring consistency, but it should not be hot. Okay, just make sure that. Yes, you can use that also, but वो आप वो यूज़ करोगे ना तो फिर वो ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाएगा. नुपुर, गोला वाला जो आप ड्राई कोकोनट बोल रहे हो, आप वो भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, बट वो कुछ ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाएगा. ये जो है ना, ये वाला जो मैंने किया, ये डेसिकेटेड कोकोनट से किया है मैंने. आप ये यूज़ करोगे हो वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा दरदरा होगा वो. So now I'm going to pour this into. So now while doing this, सबके घर पे पाइपिंग बैग्स अवेलेबल नहीं होंगे. तो अगर आपके घर पे पाइपिंग बैग है, यू कैन पोर द मेल्टेड चॉकलेट इनटू दिस पाइपिंग बैग एंड देन यू कैन जस्ट फिल इट अप. ओके, यू कैन फिल इट अप, बट सिंस सबके पास अवेलेबल नहीं होगा, आई एम शोइंग इट विद अ स्पून. ओके, दिस ऑल्सो सेम वे. Now what I'm going to do is Amul dark chocolate we are using. You can use any of the Amul chocolate. Milk chocolate can also be used. It will give you a very nice taste. Now I'm going to pour it like that. You see? सो नाउ ये जो एक्स्ट्रा चॉकलेट जो होता है ना, यू नीड टू क्लीन दिस. ओके, ये सब आपको रिमूव करना है. अगर आपके पास स्पैचुला या स्क्रैपर या नहीं है तो आप नाइफ से भी इसे ऐसे क्लीन कर सकते हो, बट ये क्लीन करिए, बिकॉज दिस आप अगर इसे ऐसे ही रख दोगे एंड देन यू विल जस्ट पुट इट इनटू द फ्रिज ना, तो ये जो साइड में लगा हुआ जो चॉकलेट, इसमें मॉइस्चर आ जाएगा. फिर आप उसे इसमें मिक्स करोगे तो ये कर्डल होना चालू होगा, क्योंकि इसमें वाटर चला जाएगा. सो दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और ये क्लीन होगा तो अच्छा भी लगता है, साइड के एजेस भी काफ़ी शार्प आते हैं वन. ओके, सो नाउ ये मैं इसे फ्रिज में रखूँगी फॉर 2-3 मिनट्स. ओके, किया है इसे. ओके, टैप करने के बाद में आपको इसमें पोर कर देना है. ये now again scrape this also with a scraper or with the help of knife. कैन सी दिस, ये भी कितने अच्छे से कोट हो गया है पूरा आउटर लेयर. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू कीप दिस ऑल्सो इनटू फ्रिज फॉर अबाउट 2-3 मिनट्स. ओके, Dipti, I have used Amul dark chocolate, okay? Thank you, Gunjan ma'am. Thank you, Meeta. No, it is not complete. I have put it into a fridge to set the outer layer. Yes, Sunita, ma'am, internet is quite disturbing. I'm very sorry for that. Meeta, it's not complete. Still remaining. Is it okay now? Can you see me right now? Is it fine? Shweta, is it clear now? वो रेड वाला मोल्ड लेके आऊँ. Thank you, Poonam. So see, instead of using pistachio flavor and coconut, you can also use any. You can use that. You can use dates also into this. You can use the ready-made flavors which you get, the natural flavors which you get it into the market. You can use that also. And in this, if you are using crush, if you are not getting the flavors in the market, you can use the crush into this ganache, white chocolate ganache. Okay, so it will give you very richness to the chocolate. So now our this mold has been set. So as you can see, our see the outer layer is completely dry, and you can see how nicely there the edges. You can look at about all the extra chocolate, excess chocolate. Malti pistachio paste is ready-made. It's not homemade pistachio paste. It's a ready-made pistachio paste. But if you wanted to go very naturally, you can just use the pistachio, and you can just roast them, and then you can just use them into a filling recipe. I will be posting after the session. Yes, we can make the powder at home itself. Adhika. यस नो, आप यूज़ कर सकते हो उसको. आप जैगरी के वजह शुगर भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, बट ट्रेडिशनली जैगरी यूज़ होता है, इसलिए मैंने जैगरी यूज़ किया है. यू कैन यूज़ एनी ऑफ देम. So we will just finish off with this, and then again I'll come back to you guys. Okay. So ये जो फीलिंग है, ये पाइपिंग बैग से आप पाइप कर सकते हो. आई एम पुटिंग इट विथ अ स्पून since it is a very small quantity. So ये मैंने 2 पीसेस में ये डाल दिया है पिस्ताचियो फीलिंग. In the other one we will put coconut one. So you can see, you have to keep little bit space for the chocolate, the melted chocolate to put inside. So now it's time again to add the chocolate into it. Now again you have to tap it. आप टैप करोगे तो जो भी एक्सेस होगा ना वो स्प्रेड आउट हो जाएगा. ओके, सो नाउ दिस पार्ट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इसको आपको बहुत 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 आराम से यू हैव टू टेक, नहीं तो जो आपका स्टफिंग है ना वो आ जाएगा बाहर. Put this into a fridge again for at least 2 to 3 minutes. I'll get the next set. So this one is also ready. So in this we are going to put this coconut one. बाकी के जो दो है ना इसमें हम लोग है ना चॉकलेट का गनाश डालेंगे. रेगुलर चॉकलेट गनाश जो हम केक के लिए यूज़ करते हैं ये आप डाल सकते हो उसमें. ओके, दिस इज़ अ प्लास्टिक मोल्ड. यू कैन यूज़ पॉलीकार्बोनिक, यू कैन यूज सिलिकॉन मोल्ड्स, whichever is available with you. In this modak shape I was not having a polycarbonate mold, so I am using the plastic one and the silicone mold. Okay, just tap it because we have added ganache. And I will, after the session I can answer you the brand for the pistachio filling. Okay, so as you can see a mold now, this is ready. It's okay. So you can see I have already done it over here for you guys. मैंने already okay. So you can see मैंने already batch बना. You can just आप white chocolate को melt करके थोड़ा finger से उसको ये ऐसे effect भी दे सकते हो. Is the video is clear now? Sona Malhotra, is the video is clear? Yes, I am going to share the recipe. Ashu, you can use the crush, but initially my suggestion would be please don't use crush into chocolate ganache and then use the flavors into it. Is it clear now? Is the video is clear? So see, I have already made some few chocolates over here for you, modaks over here, and Surekha, after the session I can post the Jyoti, you can see the video once again. I have already showed how to cover the bottom of the modak. See, it is because of the network, guys. I don't know why the video is not getting cleared. Sorry for that. So now is it clear now? See, now is it clear? Is there any questions? Please answer, please question so that I can just end of the video now. So see, I have already made some few batches for you guys. You can see this. You can just pack them like this and you can just gift them. You can sell those modaks. But make sure you use this drone, okay? Because ये जो paper cups होते हैं ना, ये बहुत अच्छा look देते हैं. Is ready. I am going to demold only one piece I can demold and I can show you. See. You can use silver or golden work if you want on this. You can just stick it up. See, the tapping is so important so that you get this fine, the top, the bottom of this you can get very nice. See how the finishing is. See, look at the edges. Okay. So make sure you use since I was doing only one piece, so I have done it with my hands, because then the fingerprints is pe aa jate hain. It doesn't look good. Okay. So thank you everyone once again for watching this video. Hope you all love this session. Thank you Supreksha, thank you so much.